Chaw, man, we're about to pass us a good time, yeah. Last pack attack because it's too dark for me to come back and do anything that I wanna do. Try to oh. Ping pong, plinko on the oop-a-dee-doo. Whoa. What up? So Brian just texted me. He's like, yo, meet me at our spot. And I'm like, I put a soccer ball with a question mark because as of right now, we have so many spots. Like, which one's ours, dude? So I have to go pick up some prescription medicine, and then I'm going to go to Thibodeau to the soccer field because maybe that's the one he's talking about. So come along for the ride, for the journey, for the whatever. We're about to do some FPV shit. And go. So this is not quite what the spot that I was thinking I've only come here really by myself to fly, but I guess this is where he was talking about. So we're at the Palace movie theater. I love this spot. So I'm gonna get set up before the sun sets too much and rip a few, so. Look at this motherfucker. Bruh, I think they closed, yeah. That's what you get in South Louisiana, people. They don't give a shit. Oh, I gotta get my stick cam. So y'all can see my hands. See my fucked up hands. Cause you know me and Willie Burr, we in the Reynolds gang, us. Inside joke, ain't nobody gonna know what that means but me and him. Unless y'all got Reynolds. All right, well. Do a little clap for the snaps. I want to clean that lens though. Clean that lens though, boy. Let's see what we got. All right, we're good to go. I'm not gonna take off my car.
Try to go up at the same time?
If you want to, cause it ain't gonna bother me none.
I'm gonna stand over here.
Go for it.
It ain't gonna bother you, it'll bother me.
It ain't gonna bother me. Brian's doing the receiver dance over there. Get to it. Let's get busy. Oh, this battery's already almost dead. Fucker. Oh, I skipped through it though. Get back, change this fucking battery already. I got this one marked, but obviously it's still, let me fucking burn this bitch out all the way. Fuck it. 18.2 back to 20. That is definitely a cell issue. Fuck it, we won't run it. Because if not, fucking 18 volts. Oh. No more juice, 17. Alright. Skiddly bop, ba doo da. Alright. Let's get another battery. And I'm not even gonna stop the GoPro. I'm just gonna keep on rolling. Keep on rolling. Throw it in the garbage. But don't really throw it in the garbage. You're not supposed to do that with your batteries. You're supposed to discharge them and get rid of them in a proper fashion.
Ah!
This is another CNHL that's probably gonna die on me quick. But we're gonna still give her a good heave-a-ho, people. Give it a good old heave-ho around the trailer, yo. Let me go under this bitch. Over this bitch. Oh, they moved that other one. They had it. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, wait. It must have been, yeah, it's this way. I'll do like a... Oh, I missed it. Then I'll go back under it. Scared you, bruh? This battery's fucking dead. What happens when you burn your batteries up? You don't give a fuck anymore. Yeah, we're gonna yeet it. Bam! Got him! That's what you do when you yeet, boys. Let me check this motherfucker real quick. I didn't break that filter. I would be surprised. Ooh, muffler. Holy shit, I didn't break nothing. I fucking slammed the piss out of that trailer hitch. Yeah, that's why you use a SourceOne, folks. Cause that bitch is badass. Ethix Maximus. Car, where are you going, car? There you are, car.
I'm trying to go. Keep going.
Yeah, man, look at that line, huh? Let's end it with something crazy and fuck it all up. Nope. See, I fucked it all up. Also, I'm not wearing my harness, which is making my remote like slip down in my hands. I don't really like that. But we're doing all right so far. We're gonna yeet to the extreme, to the battery don't do nothing. No. Oh, I lost power. Look at that shit. Yeet that boy in the tree. Take something home with you. You know what I mean? Whoa, watch your step. Do one more. Let's see about changing the filter maybe. Did I buzz you out? Not
Not
really.
as bad as that last rip. Oh
Yeah.
my god. But I was also like
Digital
hauling ass. It was
versus
scary.
analog. Sound like they have some shit in it. Oh, let's go chase them. I lost you. Ooh. Yeah. Boop, and out of there. Of course, we're gonna have to dive it. Power it back into it. Get the fuck out! Hey, 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 hey. That was cool. I never went back there before.
Yeet.
There he was.
You saw that?
Oh, I saw you. I'm gonna smoke that sign.
It's getting too dark.
Too dark for you? Oh. Guy in his truck. I wasn't recording any of that. And that's okay because I got the DVR so y'all could at least see that. And let me check the camera and I might run one more because I could still see thanks to the polar camera by CADDX Vista. Well, CADDX.
Ready to fly through the sea.
The sea.
The AMC.
The C and the AMC? Oh, okay. You gonna go up there if I wreck? You gonna climb up and get it?
If I have to.
It's a pretty tight squeeze, yo. I mean,
Ah!
I was recording that time. All right, let's go back over here by this dude. Scared the piss out of him. He's probably sleeping in there. Oh Lord, this battery is like really dead. It's time for some new batteries, Chaw. Gotta get some more batteries. Batteries. Burn up all the bad batteries on the concrete. Because I don't want to be fucking blowing up good batteries. Unless somebody wants to send me some.
You know, they complain about this spot, but there's plenty of grass over there.
Right? Just don't wreck.
Don't wreck. I mean, do like fly like me.
Fly like Brian.
I mean, obviously, if you do power loop and slam to the ground.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely going to be a problem if you fly like me. But, yeet, yeet. How many yeets did he give? All the yeets. last pack attack because it's too dark for me to come back and do anything that I want to do. Try to, oh. Ping pong, plinko on the oop-a-dee-doo. Whoa. Loose prop. Sounds cool though. And go. I am gonna straighten that fucking prop out. Cause I don't really give two fucks about it. Just wanna rip this shit and fuck around, yeah.
I like that high life 18-wheeler. Just the position of it and everything. It's just fucking great.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Oh, hey. It's not sweet when you get chunked up in it like that. Right underneath the fucking axle. There we go. That'd be sweet if I could power loop it like that though. Wasn't trying to hit the ground there. These batteries are like, ain't no more oomph in them, man. They like fucking draining down really quick.
That last one, as it was dying, I was like, man, what the hell? I had no more heat. Almost like went all up in the trees and shit. You know, that's when I was like, okay, it's kind of dark.
Yeeting is at minimum right now. I mean, I say that as I fucking rip around that bitch like a goddamn animal.
Oh, shit.
That's how you wreck, boy. If you're gonna go and wreck, you're wrecking, man. All out like that, yeah.
In the corner.
Oh shit. What is happening there? Oh. I don't know what was happening. Anyways, we're gonna end that pack because it's probably too dark to see anyway. But thanks for joining me and Brian for another session of Come to My Spot.